It's not really what happens to us that's as difficult as what we've done, living with guilt, living with regret, living with shame. So hopefully this class will shed some really good light on that. And we'll be able to finally really leave the past in the past. Not only leave it in the past, but use anything that has happened, including the mistakes that we've done, use them to propel ourselves forward. So before we even talk about the mistakes that we've made and feeling guilty and fixing the mistakes, there is one issue we have to parse, because when we look at the mistakes that we've made and we feel bad feelings that come up with that, there are actually three feelings that I want to identify and talk about that feel the same or seem the same, but they're really different. So the three different feelings that I want to talk about are regret, shame, and guilt. We kind of think that those are the same in terms of regret. Oh, I regret what I've done. I feel bad about what I've done. Or guilt. Again, I feel bad about what I've done. Or shame, a little bit different. I feel embarrassed about what I've done. We feel like they're the same. But for the purpose of moving forward, I want to really identify the difference between them. And if, if this makes sense to you and you relate to it, then that's great. We're not talking about the dictionary definitions. We're just talking about working definitions for our class so that we can take different ideas and move them to different places. So regret. Isn't it actually true that when you feel regret, you're not really feeling bad about what you've done, but you're really feeling bad about the outcome? Meaning, oh, I shouldn't have done that, then it would have been different. Regret is like a feeling of loss. Like, does that make sense? Regret is like, I wish that something would have been different today. I regret the way things are right now, because if I would have made a different choice, it would have been different. So that's how we are going to talk about regret. We really want to understand what to do with when I wish things were different based on the choice I've made. So regret will be, I regret what happened because of what I've done. Guilt, feeling guilty, is feeling bad about what I've done. And shame usually is less about being embarrassed about what I've done, but more I'm embarrassed about what that says about me. Like when I feel shame, I feel like what I did reflects on who I am, and I'm ashamed of who I am. So let's work with these three definitions for class. Regret is, I regret that the outcome that I wish were different. Shame, I feel embarrassed about who I am. And guilt, that's what we'll reserve for I feel bad about what I've actually done.